Hello friends, welcome back. I am Sandeep. In today's classes, I will show you how to calculate break-even point using Excel. Break-even point is a point of sale where there is no profit and no loss for the business. Or you can say, at this point, total contribution equals to fixed cost. I am not going into further detail as I assume you have already covered this topic in your BCom CEO or cost accountant classes. Let me to explain you with the help of an example. X Limited manufactures toy for which the cost and price given below. Sale price is 500 per unit, direct material 150 per unit, direct labor 100 per unit, variable overhead 50 per unit. These are the variable cost per unit. Fixed cost 2 lakh which is fixed. These are the solution. What we want quantity. This is my sale price. We don't know the quantity. This is rate given in the question. Amount is quantity into rate. Quantity direct material. Amount is quantity into rate. These are all variable cost. Direct material, direct labor, variable overhead. These are variable cost. Sale minus variable cost is my contribution. And contribution minus fixed cost is my profit. What we want our profit to be 0 because at break even point profit is 0. Click on the data tab, then click on what if analysis, click on goal seek, set sale, select the select the cell reference where you want your answer. I want my profit to be 0, so I have selected this cell. To value is my answer, what answer I want. As I want my profit to be 0, so I have given 0 here. By changing cell, I want to change my quantity. By changing my quantity, I want my profit to be 0. So I have selected the quantity of sale. Click OK. Now Excel has calculated your answer. That means by selling 1000 quantity, you can achieve break-even point. Please subscribe to my website which is www.sandeepclasses.com.